All right, what's up guys? My name's Jake Howarth here. I'm a brown belt out of Ronin Training Center under Vitor Oliveira. We're gonna go through a series of techniques called Bijo Breakdown. We're gonna be focused on nogi techniques. A couple of my credentials, multiple time Pan bronze medalist. I medaled at bronze at the Worlds in 2021. Former collegiate wrestler, so let's take a look. All right guys, so we're gonna look at a body lock pass. So the idea here is so that my opponent can't really attack me at an angle. So I'm gonna have his shoulders and his hips flat to the mat. So I'm gonna have a long arm and I'm gonna have a short arm. So I'm gonna dive my left arm through. My right arm's gonna come underneath. My left arm's gonna be palm down. Right arm's gonna be palm up. I'm gonna make a giggle grip, and my head is gonna be on the short arm side. So I'm gonna dive through here. Walk my opponent's heels to his butt. I'm gonna drop my left leg, shelf his shin here. Now from here, I'm gonna start to pull my left arm through a bit. My elbow is gonna go on top of his knee as I go to meet my elbow and my knee together, stepping over top. And then all I'm gonna do is back step with my left leg. In the side control. So, let's do that one more time. We can break the other one into another clip then. That'll be a separate one. Good.